Hello, my name is Matthew Lyden. This is my screencast for Higher Diploma in Science and Computing at Athlone Institute of Technology project. This project was where I made a media streamer from a Raspberry Pi. And this is my main menu. If I hit videos, I have the options files, playlists, and video add-ons. If I hit C, these are some of the options that are available to me. I'll just show you some of these options now. If I get into playlists, these are the options. If I get into video add-ons, these are some of the video add-ons that I've installed on the Pi already. I'll just choose YouTube here. Now if I get into search, these are some of the search options that I've searched for before, or I can get into new search. I'll just choose cat here for demonstration purposes. And here are the results that come up. I'll just choose one here now. Wait for this to load. And as you can see, the video plays. Now if I press enter, I can pause it, stop it, or fast forward or rewind it. I'll just press stop to get out of it. Now I'll go back to the main menu. Now if I go to music, these are the options that are available here. Now if I get into playlists, those are the options. But I get into files, whatever files I have on the device will display there. And if I get into music add-ons, these are the music add-ons that I have installed at the moment. I'll just go down now into SoundCloud. I can search. As you can see, these are some of the options I've chosen before, or I can get into new search if I want. I'll just choose this one. And these are the results that come up. If I press enter, the song will play. And there it is playing now. Now if I press X, I can stop it. And if I press C, these are some of the options that I can choose if I wish. I'll just go ahead and add that to favorites. And now I'll exit out of that. Go back to the main menu. Now if I go into pictures, these are the options available here. Now if I choose Google, I can search. I'll just enter cars, just for demonstration purposes again. Just wait for this to load. And these are the results that come up. Now if I scroll down, you can see pictures there on the left hand side and the results on the right. I'll just use this one here. And again, you can see more results. If I select this one here, the picture will display on the screen. Now I know the quality isn't great, but again, this is just to demonstrate my system in use. Now if I press C, these are some of the options here again. Among them are save image or add to favorites. Now I'll exit back out of that again. Now if I go into my OSMC, you'll notice that the screen changes completely. There are lots of different options available here. There's PyConfig, log uploader, updates, services, overclock, app store, network, and remotes. If I go into log uploader, this is what comes up. As you can see, this is a lot of different stuff up here. Now if we get into updates, I have the options of how often I'd like to search for updates, among other things. I'll just head out of that now again. Now if we go into services, this is what comes up. As you can see, it shows that the SSH server is running. Now if we get into overclock, this is the screen that comes up. Again, this is all very technical. This is just to show the system in use. Now if we get into App Store, it will present me with a whole list of applications that can be used to enhance the user experience. I'll just show some of them here. As you can see, it tells you what the add-on actually is, what it does, and I have the options to install or cancel. Of course, SSH server is already installed, so then I have the option to uninstall that instead. And that's that. Now, moving on to network, this is where I can, the network settings are enable Bluetooth. Of course, I have a wireless connection, so nothing is showing up here. Now, if we go into wireless, here's where you can see my network info. Since I am using a wireless connection, you can see I don't have Bluetooth enabled. Now exit out of that again. Now if we go into remotes, here you can see a list of remotes that can be used with the Raspberry Pi. I'll just flick through the list here. Now if I go into Pi config, you can see there's lots of different stuff up here now as well. That message there on the screen always comes up anytime you go into Pi config, regardless of whether or not you change anything. Now if I head into favorites, you can see a list of all the files that I've added to favorites. There's videos, music, pictures. And if I press C, those are the options again. Now if those are the program add-ons I've installed. There's the weather being displayed. Now if I choose settings, there's a bunch of different options here again. There's interface, player, media, live TV, profiles, services, system, system info, add-on browser, and file manager. I'll just choose add-on browser here. I can choose to install from a repository or a zip file. I'll just choose that one. These are the repositories available to me. I'll just use Kodi add-on, the default one. And these are all the different types of add-ons that I can install. I'll just choose weather here. And these are examples of some of the weather add-ons that can be installed for the Raspberry Pi. Now if I choose Met Office, if I hit enter, install, now this add-on will install on my Pi. And when it's successfully downloaded, the message will come up. There it is. Now if I press C, these are the options again. If I select enter, as you can see, the options here have changed. I'll just go ahead and uninstall that, just to show an add-on being uninstalled. And now it's no longer on my system. I'll just get out of that again. Now if I head down into power, as you can see, I have the options to turn it off or restart. And that's it. Thanks for watching.